Hey, welcome to Sapper Woodworking. So for today's project, I've got this piece of American Sycamore that was taken off of a tree from a friend of ours. Thanks, Jackie B, for this chunk of wood that I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with it. I want to try to turn this into some kind of a bowl or some kind of a platter. And there's not really a way to attach any kind of a faceplate to this side because we've got this big chunk in the middle. And there's not really an easy way to attach it to the bottom because of the same hole. But I think what I'm going to try to do is kind of flatten out. We kind of got three little points that I can maybe flatten out these two sides enough to glue or screw on a piece of sacrificial wood that I can attach the faceplate to that, and that will let me mount it on the lathe and spin it that way and try to keep this outside as natural as it is currently. It almost looks like camouflage, but we're going to go ahead and take that route and see what we can make out of this chunk of American Sycamore.